Thanks for clicking Florida Outdoor Adventures. I appreciate all of you guys watching. We're here on the $1 Million Highway, 550 Ouray, Colorado. Today we're going to do Ophir Pass in a stock Jeep Wrangler JL. So I think it's totally doable. I've done it on the motorcycle and I've done it in my other Jeeps. Thanks for watching, and let's go ahead and go to Ophir Pass. I'm not going to film too much the beginning here because I wouldn't say it's boring, but it's just regular gravel roads. Once we get up higher in the elevations towards the peak, I'll turn on this camera and I'm going to try to mount it somehow on the Jeep so it looks pretty cool and you can see what the Jeep is doing. We made it to the peak of Ophir Pass. No big deal today, beautiful weather. I'm going to try to put a link to the video when we did this on the motorcycles, the big adventure motorcycles, big BMW 1200s and Yamaha Super 10A 1200. It was totally foggy, raining, cold, and we still did it. So I'll put a link to that video if you want to watch it. Ophir Pass peak, 11,789 feet.
This guy to see if he can't get past a point where the light is on that rock, so he's been backing all the way down.
Oh, wow.
Oy. But we don't know if there's enough space for us to get past him if we go forward, so
right.
We're waiting to see if,
good idea.
I guess he's just going to back all the way down.
leaving the town of Ophir, Colorado, almost in between Ouray and Telluride. Smallest post office in the USA, I think. Ophir, Colorado, 81426. Next up is just some mild trails to regular forest roads to the highway, and then Telluride, Colorado. So I'll spare you that. I hope you enjoy the video. Ophir Pass on a stock Jeep Wrangler JL. Thanks for watching, guys. Click subscribe and the like button and the little bell. Those three things would help me a lot. Thank you.